So today we're going to be trying out the August Munchpak box, and I'm really excited because out of all of these snack boxes that I have ever tried, this is definitely my favorite snack subscription box. I've tried out a couple of others, but I feel like for having a nice variety and feeling like I'm getting my money's worth and seeing foods from different cultures and different countries, Munchpak is my go-to box. So I'm really excited to see what is in this month's box. There are 3 different subscription services. There's one that's like $10 a month and you get like 4 to 5 snacks. I have the $20 a month box and I get 10 to 13 snacks, I think is what it is. And there's one that's like $40 a month and you get like 20 something snacks every month. So I picked the one in the middle and I'm really excited. I did already go ahead and open up this box and I laid everything out so we can get a nice view of everything inside of this box. I'm really, really excited. For those of you who have seen my other Munchpak unboxings, my box has been created by Ronnie again. So Ronnie has been the bro or brosive that has made my past 2 or 3 boxes. So I'm really, really excited to see what is in this. I'm just so excited. I love this so much. I feel like it really gives me the opportunity to like taste the world without having to pay for a plane ticket. That's what I was trying to say. So with all of that said, let's get into this unboxing / taste testing. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna pull something out of the box and then we're gonna taste test it instead of the way that I usually have been doing it where I just go through and read everything and then taste test. I feel like it would be like a much better structure if I like pull everything out of the box and then try a taste. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Hard Bites handcrafted style chips. Wild onion and yogurt chips. Crunchy kettle chips with this sweet and tangy yogurt and onion flavor. This is from Canada. It is gluten-free. Okay, first of all, the idea of kettle chips and yogurt together is a little out there, but then you throw in some wild onion and it's a whole crazy party up in this joint. So I'm really excited because this is so absurd. I've never heard of anything like this ever before. It just kind of looks like sour cream and onion chips. Like, they don't look like anything too different, so here we go. Okay, so these are not at all what I was expecting them to be. I know I got Zapp's chips last month in my Munchpak, and I've had Zapp's chips before, and that's actually what these remind me of a lot. I get that, like, you know the onion taste that you get in some barbecue flavors? That's what this tastes like. It tastes like either like, it kind of definitely reminds me on the side of more like mesquite barbecue is really what this reminds me of. I don't get a yogurt flavor at all. And the onion, again, it really, really reminds me of a barbecue flavor. So honestly, I'm shocked. Not ever something I would have picked up in the grocery store, be like, oh my God, what is yogurt and wild onion doing together? Like, honey, what are you doing? But these taste like mesquite barbecue, so I totally can see why these are delicious. Plus, I love the texture of the kettle chips, and they're not greasy and like soggy feeling like some kettle chips can be, so these are delicious. Next thing that I've pulled out are these Old Vienna Red Hot Riplets chips. Wavy and crunchy potato chips packed with a smoky barbecue and hot sauce flavor. These are from the USA. I live on the East Coast. I've lived on the East Coast my entire life, and I feel like all of the USA stuff that I get in this box, besides the Zapp chips are the only thing that I've ever tried before. I've never tried these foods. I've never heard of them. This does feel like really light, and the chips feel broken. I wish I could like pass this around because even the texture of like the actual like bag wrapper itself is so different. I don't know. Here we go. Oh my gosh, these look like sweet potato chips. Ha, this is so fun. Okay, so these are like, they're pretty coated. We've got some nice orange color, and they just feel like normal Ripple potato chips. I don't know why I keep saying an L with my potato, but you guys know I'm trying to say potato chips, right? So this is smoky barbecue and hot sauce. Here we go. Ooh. Oh my God, they're hot. Oh no, somebody call 911. Those are very, very hot. They were not as hot as I was expecting them to be, and my mouth is still like really, really burning. However, they're delicious. I really like, they have a more of a softer texture, and I honestly feel like a folded chip, like any folded chip in the bag is like the prize of the bag. I don't know why I'm talking so much with my hands today. I'm very sorry. These are very heavily seasoned, which I love. I'm a seasoning girl. I love some like excess seasoning, and that's exactly what I get with these. I think they're delicious. However, they remind me of Red Hot chips. Is really kind of I know these are called Red Hot Riplets, but there's another brand out there that makes like Red Hot chips, and I can't remember what the bag looks like, but that's exactly what these remind me of. Buffalo pizza style pizza in a bag pepperoni jerky. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is super snack time pizza in a bag buffalo pizza pepperoni jerky in the USA. Well, it's from the USA. Spicy pepperoni slices with a mixture of pizza and buffalo sauce flavors. Okay, I've seen these in the checkout line at Walmart, and I've just never been like, yeah, let me try them, because I'm always like too busy, you know, shopping. But I'm really excited that I'm now having the opportunity to try these, especially I've never seen this flavor before, buffalo pizza style. Ooh, it smells very vinegary, like Frank's Red Hot sauce smells like, and I have to say, oh my god, it's legit pepperoni. Wow, okay. These are giant slices. Look how big these slices are. Like, in comparison to my face, my dog is like right underneath of my ring light, and she's so hoping to get a catch of one of these pieces of pepperoni. Like, I pulled this out and she really started licking her lips. So let's see if it's spicy. I'm really excited. I don't know. Here we go. Okay. This I really do not like at all. It's very vinegary, which I have no problem. Oh, here comes the spice. Oh my goodness. They are spicing me out in this box. Hold on, guys. This kicked my butt in like spice. Like, the chips were very spicy, but this was even spicier. I definitely do feel like it kind of burned my mouth a little bit. I don't like this whatsoever. It's an interesting idea. I'll give them that. But the buffalo sauce is so vinegary that it almost kind of tastes like it's bitter. It's very bitter because it's so like, it's so vinegary. And then the pepperoni kind of tastes like old. Like, I know it's supposed to be jerky, but it tastes like off of like an old pizza. This is not something that I'm definitely jamming with. Plus, I would not recommend this for like a snack to go, because it was definitely very greasy in my hands. Okay, the next thing that I'm trying are these Glico pretzel sweet corn flavor crunchy baked snack sticks packed with sweet corn flavor from Thailand. Okay, story. I do not like corn at all. It was never really a vegetable that I jammed with. Like, I really like my dark greens and everything, but corn, I never liked corn on the cob growing up. Like, it was not ever something that I was like loving. Like, I know some people really love corn on the cob, and that is just not my thing. However, I do kind of like cornbread sometimes, so I'm hoping maybe these taste like cornbread a little bit. Okay, this is weird. It literally tastes like corn on the cob. I was not expecting this, and it's like buttery too. This is like really buttery tasting, but like buttery corn. That's what this really like straight on and tastes like. I'm eating buttery corn. This is crazy, man. Okay, if you are somebody that likes butter and you like corn, like if you really love buttery corn on the cob, get yourself some of this, because that's exactly what these taste like. The next thing that we're pulling out is this Today Caramel Donut. Soft and fluffy cocoa coated cake filled with caramel from Turkey. I have been loving most of the snacks that I get from Turkey, so I'm really excited to try this. It reminds me of like Tasty Cake kind of looking, and I'm sorry if my camera keeps being bumped. My dog is definitely like all up in the snacking business, really hoping that she gets a little bite to eat. It's just like a regular donut. I'm gonna keep it in a wrapper, and we're gonna take a bite. Oh my gosh, it's very crumbly. I have like opened it up and I don't see any caramel in there, but that's okay, because maybe it's like more sunken in. So here we go. There's no caramel in here. Like, I took a pretty big chunk. I took a quarter of the donut, and there isn't any caramel sauce in there. The chocolate is sweet. This really just tasted like a Tasty Cake to me. Like, it wasn't really anything like different or unique. I mean, like, I've never seen this before, but taste-wise and flavor-wise and all of that, it really just reminded me of a Tasty Cake. So here's everything that I got in my box. I got these Red Hot Riplet chips from the USA, wild onion and yogurt chips from Canada, this pepperoni buffalo pizza jerky from the USA. I got these corn on the cob sticks from Thailand, watermelon candies from Turkey. This Rice Krispie energy stick is really what like this is, from Taiwan. Marzipan Challah from Israel. This caramel donut from Turkey. This Kit Kat Tat from Turkey. This sour apple candy from China. And I don't know if I can find it, but the peach candies from Taiwan. So out of everything, okay, in total, I feel disappointed in this box. I feel like I got like 2 things that were already repeats that I've already tried. I feel like this is the most candy I've ever gotten in a box, and I'm not really somebody who loves candy too much. I'm not a candy person. Actually, that's like, I'm not a candy person at all. I really just like chocolates and stuff like that, so candy really isn't my thing. These 2 are the winner. I didn't like these, but the sweet corn sticks from Thailand, they're just so interesting, and if I liked corn, this would have won me over entirely. I've never seen anything like this, not to mention the flavor was literally spot on, so these are a definite winner. And in points of another obscure item that like absolutely won me over are these wild onion and yogurt chips. Like, I'm mad that we don't have these here in the US. They're literally so delicious. And for points of like I feel is very disappointing are the pizza in a bag and the caramel donut. This reminded me of a tasty cake, and there literally wasn't any caramel in it. And then these, I really didn't like. I feel like they tasted old and they burned my mouth and throat. So in total, I feel like I'm only really excited about 2 items in the box, and there's only 1 thing in there that I actually like. I don't know if I really, yeah, okay. I'm gonna be like, just think of it. I'm not excited about this box. I'm kind of disappointed. I don't feel like I really got like a good variety because I got repeats in here, and I got a lot of stuff from the United States in this box, whereas like other times, like I've only maybe received 1 item from the US, and I've received like 2 things from the US, maybe 3. No, it was only 2 things. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like there wasn't like a great variety and like different flavors. Like, I received like the same, like, okay, the Kit Kat Tat is basically what I'm talking about, and the Israel Challah. I've received those items before, and I just feel like I received, I don't know, like, basically what I'm trying to say is I don't feel very excited about this box. There were items in here that I don't feel like were really worth the value of the $20, and I do find that I'm disappointed that I received repeats in my box, but hopefully next month's box will be a lot better. That is it for my August unboxing of Munchpak's box. What did you guys think of it? Do you have any favorites? Do you have any dislikes in this box? Like, is there something in here that you would love to try, or is there something in here that you already know you hate? I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.